This is my solution for number 5 in our class points. So the problem is read a set of numerical grades from the keyboard into an array. The maximum number grades to be entered is 50, and the entry should be terminated when a negative number is entered. How to program sort and print the grades in descending order. So this is my program. I declare a function prototype int grade that accepts grade is array, and main I declare a grade array that has a size of 5, but the program requires 50. But in my example, we just have to make it short. 5, so 5. We will later make it 50, and when I pass it on, then I will make it 50. But for this video, it will have 5 is 10 as a size. So this is my first function prototype. So in my int grade, I declare int I. For I is equals to 0, I less than I plus plus will enter grade. So enter the I plus 1, which is I is equals to 0 plus 1 will be the first grade. So I will see end grade at I. So the condition says the condition says that the program should be terminated when a negative number is entered. So we will write condition if grade is less than 0, that is negative number, because negative number is less than 0. So we will still entering, and we will want to replace this all. So we will have to system cost that exits the program. So we will return grade at I, this one. So that is my get rid of the problem. So in my int list or sort list rather, return type void, because we won't have to return anything. We're just going to display sort list that is parameter int and accept grade array grade, which is this one. So the function definition below is sort. But in my example number 3, I declare int I j in type. For I is equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. For j is equals to 0, j less than 5, j plus plus. Now this is the condition that will sort it in descending order. If grade at I is greater than grade at j, it will have to be the temps will be equals to grade at I, and grade at I will be equals to grade at j, and grade at j is equals to temp. So we will just print the array here. We are the grade in descending order. We will have another for loop for our display. Cout I plus 1 will be 1. It will just have to the number list grade at I. So that's it. In my main, I called it just the get grade, the int get grade, and it accept the grade numbers 5 sort list that accept this one also. So we'll try to run. enter 1. Wait. 1. Wait, I have an error. I think this one. So let's have to rerun here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is grade in descending order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will try a negative number. So enter negative 1, negative number entered, and the program terminated. That's